Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 7th, 2022. Let's talk about Aurora Cannabis today in this market. I mean, I know there's a lot of people in this particular position in Aurora Cannabis who have just been holding a stock. I want you all to watch this. I want to see basically off of the chart, can we expect the price to go up? And if so, how high can we look for it to go up? Welcome to HFN. This is what I do. You guys understand, if you've been subscribed to my channel, you guys know every video that I do a price prediction off of the price chart, and that's it. I don't talk about what the companies have been going through. Do they have any upcoming mergers and acquisitions, and what is their growth expectations over the next 40 years? No, I don't even do technical indicators. I just simply look at what everyone else is trying to do with their own money. That is the only thing you need. That's it. Look at these price bars and volume, because you need to consider it as a language. This market is speaking every day that it trades. It lets us know whether or not they're bullish or bearish. You just need to figure out what is going on. So if you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Join me on all of my other social media platforms, because I do place other content on those mediums as well. Now, I did a video for Aurora Cannabis. Yeah, it was in December the 14th, 2021. Look at my chart. I didn't do a price target. I didn't do a price prediction because it wasn't nothing here. I mean, when you see a market day in and day out go down in price, there's nothing here. It's a dead market, right? Until we find a location to which the buyers are now appearing. Maybe you might be seeing that right now, right? Because this market has just been going down in Aurora Cannabis. And I know a lot of people has been pumping you all up, telling you to come in and buy these dips. And the price continues to do just that, dip. Now, could we be at a bottom? Because at some point, the market can only dip so far. It can only go to zero. You have infinite possibilities for price to go up, but you got a floor when it comes to how low price can go. Take a look at this. I'm taking this horizontal line here, and I want to show you that the market in Aurora Cannabis is now trying to bounce to where we were back in 2020 October timeframe. Yes, we are now back to where we started 2 years ago, almost 2 years. Here we are again. We are even seeing the price all the way back to the initial stages to where it started trading on the exchange on the NASDAQ. Is this the bottom? That's the question we need to answer. Do you think that we are now at a bottom in Aurora Cannabis? So now, in order for us to understand, can we see price go up? I think we identify the bottom right now. If we break $4, this market is completely dead. Yes, this is going to be trading as a penny stock, below $1 maybe, if we break this $4 price. So I want to get you all prepared and ready for that. Let's see what we got though. Let me show you the 3-day time frame, because it doesn't mean that we won't get a couple of trading days where the market goes up. So I'm definitely not here trying to convince you that this is a massive buy. I'm not here to do that. I'm just here to see, can we see this market price in Aurora Cannabis go up? All right. I mean, we've been going down. Is it now time to breathe life in this stock for Aurora Cannabis? Look at this on a weekly. What do you think? Look at it on the monthly. What do you think? Look at this on the daily time frame. What do you think? We got earnings coming up. Look at that. February the 10th. Earnings is coming up. Do you think the market is going to explode? Do you think the market's going to crash? What do you think? Let's look at it on an hourly basis. What do you think? Could we see the market come back up here to where it was last rejected? To like 440 to 450? What do you think? Look at this on the arrow. Today, I'm just trying to show you the perspective of the market on different multiple time frames, because I'm seeing some strength mixed in on a 2-day, daily, 3-day time frame, meaning that this is not one of those long-term plays, meaning that this is one of those opportunities where you get in and get out. You don't overstay your welcome here in these markets. I am going to play some strength here in Aurora Cannabis, but it's not going to be massively bullish. Right there, I got 440, 450. I mean, 7%. You let me know. 7%, is that worth putting in a position, or do we just need to wait and find another market in the cannabis space? Let me know, because we cannot break $4 to the downside. We cannot let that happen, because if it does, this is definitely a dead market in Aurora Cannabis. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to expect just some slight strength in the market. I'm not going to be massively bullish. If we get that, it's even better, but I want to place realistic expectations here on this channel. So that is all I'm going to do on this video. I'm going to play a little bit of strength here into the market in Aurora Cannabis. Not one of those long-term hold for the next 20 years. If we're able to see the price in Aurora Cannabis break 450, the next level would be 475. Okay, and that's about it. So now it is your turn. Let me know. I've given you multiple time frames. I've shown you multiple price charts, asking you what do you think, because in the end, only you are going to put on a position. Not me, not your financial advisor, not your friend. You will have to push that buy button. You will have to push that sell button. So I want to know, what do you think though before you push it? Let everyone know in our community, what do you think about Aurora Cannabis? Where are we headed? Up, down, penny stock? Where are we going to go? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.